Hello guys! It's your girl, Ate Shane. And magpro-promote lang po ako ng game, which is yung game namin called Buhay Pinas Roleplay. Maganda po tong game. Actually guys, you can go hang out with your friends dito and pwede ka din makakilala ng mga other players. Yes. And meron tayong parisan dito. This is our parisan. Diwata Parisan. Ayun po si Diwata. And then meron po tayong mini bar dito which is you can hang out with your friends. Mini bar ni Kuya Darren. And then meron tayong store dito. Ito yung store. This is my store guys. It's called Madam Shane Eatery and Sari-Sari Store. And we have a Palawan cornstarch. Palawan cornstarch. And also, meron tayong Angel's Burger dito. And then, we have here Kuya Paul PJ Guitar Shop, which is nandito si Kuya Paul nyo. And then, meron tayong Inachar. And then, meron tayong ditong Boss Patawad. And also, meron tayong animation is ng Lilimos kayo, guys. As you can see, ang cute-cute naman ng nanlilimos na to. And, we have here, isaw. You take isaw. Tsaka, meron tayong palamig. There you go. Mabilis ang promotion lang to, guys. Ipo-promote, i-endorse. Anong promote? I-endorse lang natin ang aming game. And then, ito ay, meron tayong balot dito. Siyempre, meron din tayong gas station at hindi mawawala ang Soko. Kasi nga, nasa Buhay Pinas tayo. And then, meron po tayo ditong bus which is Wish 0.5. Ito po ang Wish 0.5 natin, guys. Yan. Pwede kayong magkanta-kanta dito with your friends. Ayan, nakikita nyo. And then, meron tayong gas station, meron tayong tricycle, and then meron tayong jeep, and then convenience store. And, syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating simbahan. There you go. And meron tayong bagong gawa. Iniwan lechon manok. Yan po. Ay, nako. Sa mga broken-hearted, pwede kayong bumili dyan. And then, meron tayo ditong food. Tingnan nyo yung ating street food, guys. Diba? Napakaganda. Napakaganda. And meron tayong internet cafe, half court, and also meron tayong bahay kainan. There you go. Make sure na sumali kayo sa group namin, Tatak Tagumpay Group. So, ayun lang. Bye! Thank you for watching!